Nothing ruins a t-shirt more like sleeves that are too floppy. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem forever. Long intros are super annoying though. Let's get into this. Step 1, pinch your sleeve to get a better fit and see what you're comfortable with.
I think you should subscribe.
Use something to mark that spot like a clothespin or a safety pin. And move your arm around to see if you like the fit. Now this is too tight, so adjust accordingly. Do the other side and drop it like it's hot. Measure the distance from the edge of your marking spot. Mine is 1 inch or 2.54 centimeters, so says Google. Use some tailor's chalk or even steal some chalk from a 3rd grade teacher to connect the edge with your original seam at an angle so that it makes a triangle, but not an isosceles triangle. I don't even know if that's a real thing. Optional, but use sewing pins to hold it all together. This right here is my sewing thread. See how it's looped over and then the knot is sewn through both sides? Do the same thing. It's a lot stronger. We're gonna start at the underarm seam and sew what's called a back stitch. Sew a stitch forward and then loop it back through that previous stitch. Rinse and repeat. And you might miss a few back stitches underneath. Totally okay. The structural integrity is not compromised. Don't panic. Take that stitch all the way to the end of your sleeve. Now, I missed a stitch right here, but that's okay. We're not perfectionists around here. I'm not gonna tell anybody if you don't. Cut off the extra fabric, no finishing needed. And you might see your stitches poke through just a little bit. Don't worry, we're used to the sewing machine, which does this perfectly every single time, so don't beat yourself up over this. You're still gonna love the results. And you'll just get better at it with practice. Let's go learn how to shorten the sleeves on a t-shirt. It's in the next video. SD out, deuces!